I'd like a little deep dive, if you don't mind.
Sure. All right, so ISIS Khorasan, perhaps one of the most active in trying to do external plots globally, to include against the homeland. Right now, what we saw is the Taliban, in going after ISIS-K, they hate each other, pushed a lot of them into the tribal areas on the Afghan-Pakistan border. Through a phenomenal partnership with Pakistan, they have gone after ISIS Khorasan, killing dozens of them. Through a relationship we have with them, providing intelligence, they have captured at least 5 ISIS Khorasan high-value individuals. They extradited back Jafar, who was one of the key individuals behind the Abbey Gate bombing. And the first person he called, Chief of the Army Staff Munir, was me, and said, I've caught him, I'm willing to extradite him back to the United States. Please tell the Secretary of Defense and the President. So we are seeing Pakistan, with limited intelligence that we're providing them, go after them using their means to do that. And we're seeing an effect on ISIS Khorasan. At the same point, they are continuing to move around. Sometimes they'll try and go back into Afghanistan. We have the means to be able to collect, but for the most part right now, they're hanging out right in that border area of Pakistan. And I would also tell you that, I mean, since 2024, the beginning, Pakistan had over 1,000 terrorist attacks in the western area, killing about 700 security and civilians and 2,500 wounded. They're in an active counterterrorism fight right now, and they have been a phenomenal partner in the counterterrorism world.
Does it seem like they're scaling down or scaling up?
So I think from ISIS Khorasan, they got hit very, very hard over the last several months. And so I would tell you right now, they're at a low point right now. What we're getting out of interrogation and exploitation has been significant. But remember, these are the same individuals that did the Crocus Music City Hall attack in Moscow. They did the attack in Kerman, Iran, and they've attempted other attacks. And there's actually ties in a classified setting that I can talk in terms of the homeland.
Whatever we have to do not to go back to that place would be amazing.
That's why we need to, if I could.
Yes,
Congress,
please.
We have to have a relationship with Pakistan and with India. I do not believe it is a binary switch that we can't have one with Pakistan if we have a relationship with India. We should look at the merits of the relationship for the positives that it has.